Where is doctor?
Doctor.
Where is hand? Hand.
Hand.
Yes, where is cockroach?
Go.
Yes, good boy. Where is keyboard? Lappy keyboard. Yes, good boy. Clap your hand. Good boy. Yes. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite time-saving daily use kitchen gadgets which are really very helpful, compactable, portable, easy to use, easy to carry and easy to clean. So these products are really making our life so easier nowadays. So the tools which I'm using regularly in daily life, day-to-day life, I'm gonna show you those products. So yeah, let's have a look at it. Yeah, this is the pomegranate extractor. It's very easy to use. We just need to cut the pomegranate and heat to get the seeds into the container. And it's also no strains. मतलब कुछ दाग नहीं होता है हाथ में. No strain on your hand. Again, it's very easy to clean as well. So I'm using that. So second one is a handy juicer. This is a very good product, portable product. I'm using this product every day. Here no electricity is required. For seeds, I'm preparing pomegranate juice every day because he used to have pomegranate juice lunchtime every day. So for him, quantity will be very less. So for less quantity, this product is very good. Whenever I'll be preparing juice for everyone, that time I used to use a blender or else juicer. But for seed, only for seed, quantity is less. So for less quantity, using a blender or juicer, it will be again waste of time. Cleaning and all, it will take much time. So I'm using this handy juicer. This is a very good one, and assembling and all, it's very easy also. So easily you can clean it and wash it also. So every day I'm using this product as well. So next one is the apple cutter. This is also a very good product, light and flexible. Even you can carry while traveling as well. So every day while cutting apples, I'm using this product. These blades are really very sharp, and this is made of with stainless steel. This is good, the good one. So I'm using this one, and again it will like separate the seeds and apple very neatly. So I'm using this one every day. So next is corn remover. This is also a very compact, durable and portable product. Every day also मतलब regularly I'm using this product as well because corn remove करने में ही ज़्यादा time लगता है. But through this product I feel it's really convenient to remove the corn and very time saving as well. So this one I'm using. Next is dough maker. This one is really I'm using every day for preparing roti. This is a very lightweight product, and we just need to put atta and water inside it, and then just close the lid, and 10 or 15 times we just need to rotate it clockwise, and 3-4 times we need to rotate it anti-clockwise, and then within 5 to 10 minutes atta will be ready. मतलब dough will be ready. So I feel very comfortable with this product. So every day for making dough, I'm using this product. This is a whisker, mini blender or beater we can say. Easily we can prepare chas, buttermilk, lassi and even egg omelette also. And now last but not the least, this chopper is really a very good product for kitchen. It's very easy to use and easy to clean also, and these blades are really helps in finely chopping the vegetables, even fruits as well. So I'm really happy with this product. Every day I'm using this one for preparing curry or any masalas, matlab instantly to prepare curries and all. I'm using this one.